We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary as well in English to improve your pronunciation. So stay tuned to the channel. The top word is a noun. In British English it's said as continent, stress on the first syllable, continent. In American English it's rather similar, continent. Now the bottom word is the adjective that relates to it. In British English it's pronounced as continental, continental. In American English, however, it's usually said as continental, continental. So continent and continental. It's easy, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.